All right, y'all, so I am unboxing my new freaking desk. So it's your girl Tiff, _39, and I just received my new desk for my my shop supplies to go in, and so it's looking like it's going to be fairly easy to put together. Can you guys see in there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide everything out. The box was pretty heavy, and so I did not want to try to take it up the stairs. But let me go ahead and slide everything out. Something else down in the bottom. So I'm not sure if there is anything in that piece. So, oops. I really don't want to. Yes. So it is something in here. Okay. So I'm trying not to tear up this foam because it does make quite a mess. So I am just kind of cleaning up my mess because I don't like a lot of junk and a lot of clutter. So the little extra pieces and everything, I am just sitting to the side. I feel like I need some more light. Okay. So this is what it is supposed to look like. And so I guess you pronounce it Homfa. And so that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. And so yes. So it's pieces in here, and then it has 4 of these like little not fiberglass, but like cardboard sort of pieces. It's 4 of those, and then this is pretty sturdy, a good quality. And it has some side pieces. I have 3 of these. And it probably should be 2 of these. Oh, no, I have 4 of these. 4 of these. And so the great thing about it is these pieces have numbers on them. And so I have to find time to put this together today. Today is going to be a very busy day for me because I have to work on some pieces for my shop. I still have to exercise. I did end up eating a light breakfast. So this is like a thin piece of wood. And so I'm looking for the other pieces to this. And then I had edited my video today for my YouTube channel. So you guys check me out. You guys can subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss an upload and you can see other videos. And this desk or cabinet, whatever you want to call it, end up being a perfect size for me, because on Amazon, in the description picture, it looks way larger than it actually is. And so I had to get my ruler out, honey, and get these measurements together so I could make sure that it wasn't too big. But I think it's gonna be really cute. And so it has a cabinet on one side with like 2 shelves, and then it has 4 drawers on the other side. And it just looks like you're gonna need one tool to put all of this together, which is great. I love assembling stuff where you don't have like a whole bunch of different size screws and tools to use. This is gonna be so perfect. Oh, these drawers are way smaller than I anticipated them to be. So this is gonna be the drawer, and I'm hoping that I can at least get my copying paper in here. Not really sure now that I'm seeing the size of the drawers, but I'm going to make it do what it do. It was only $100, so I mean, pretty much I'm not gonna complain, because I didn't want anything too big. I just have a small charm and bookmark shop, and so pretty much, you know, the supplies are fairly small, so I feel like this is gonna be good. And if it's not, then I will just send it back. But I'm hoping that I don't have to do that. Okay, so I got all the pieces out for that. And let's see what's in this box. So it's probably like the screws and a little wrench in here. Oh yeah, and the roller for the drawer. Ooh. So the roller for the drawer is plastic. And I believe this is the roller for the drawer. There's 2, 4, 6. Yeah. So I'm hoping that these pieces are going to be able to hold up against the test of time, because they seem a bit cheap, to put it bluntly. I'm not seeing that I'm gonna have like one like little alley wrench for this, and so I may have to get my screwdriver and some other stuff. Use some other stuff. So I might just let Babe put this together on his off day. It's like hella freaking pieces of screws. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this for Babe. But that is the conclusion of unboxing this cabinet, Homfa. And so, like I said, it has the drawers right here, and then the cabinet space on the side. And as you can see, it's not that big. You guys can see it comes right underneath my hip. And what else do I want to say about this? And what is the, oh, this is the, this looks like the side panel for each side. Thinking this is the side panel. So what I need to, yeah, these two have to be side panels, and this has to be, I'm trying to see what is the, which piece is the flat top. Because I was gonna say this would be the flat top, but according to the picture, it doesn't look like it's the flat top. And so this doesn't look like the flat top neither. This is going to be interesting to see. Matter of fact, let me just go. Okay, so one, whichever one is labeled 1 is going to be, so this is 2. Okay, so this is the bottom part. So this looks like a 1. This has to be 1. But it doesn't even have the number on here. It's supposed to have the sticker with the number 1 on here, and it doesn't. So let's just match these pieces up. It's a little short. I believe this is 1. So this is going to be the flat lay of the dresser. So this looks like it's about, oh, here goes. Oh, here go the number 1 right here. So this looks like it's about a little over, looks like it's about maybe 24 inches. So this is gonna be cool. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in for my unboxing of my new shelf. So excited about it, and I cannot wait until everything is put together. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop a comment and I will get back to you, and I will answer any of your questions that I have or that you have pertaining to this product. Love and light. Remember to like this video, follow me on IG at planonit_39, and your girl Tiff is out. Peace.